Hey guys, it's Kim here with Fairily Fiber Fun. Thanks so much for joining me on another carding video. Today we are carding up a braid of fiber into a fun Magic Potions bat. The potions portion is separate, but it's like little add-ins and things that you can put in while you're spinning, and that's loads and loads and loads of fun. So I'm showing you all the pretty fibers. We've got bamboo and silk and all sorts of long locks and different breeds. And of course, the braid fiber itself. And I do have sparkle as well, firestar. So very simple with the add-ins. I've already pre-blended all the colors. I've already carded one of these live during a Facebook demo in the Woolen Fiber Arts community. And then I decided to card the other one for YouTube. So I am taking each color and stripping it down into 3 sections so that I can do a strip of fiber, strip of add-ins, layer of fiber, layer of add-ins, layer of fiber, layer of add-ins. While I am stripping down the fibers, I would like to give a very warm welcome to new viewers and a welcome back to returning viewers. If you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss new videos as they come out. And follow me over on Facebook. There is the Fairily Fiber Fun page and the Fairily Fiber Fun group. And if you would like to be a part of all the fun and stuff in the group, head on over there. I will have links to everything down in the description box below. And you can get one of these fibers if you've participated in the sale, the Facebook Live sale on June 23rd, which is Friday, coming up very, very soon. You probably won't see this until after the sale, but I am making these for the live sale in the Woolen Fiber Arts group almost every month. There's a few months that they don't have sales, but most months there's a fiber festival at the end, virtual fiber festival at the end of every month, the last weekend of the month. And I am filling in for someone who signed up to be a vendor and then wasn't able to do it. And since I have been one to sign up and then have to cancel, I understand the need to do so, and I'm happy to fill in. It did make for a mad scramble this month because I had my entire month planned out, and then I needed to do a bunch of stuff for vending. So yeah, I wasn't expecting that, but it's okay. We are flexible over here at my house, and I just rearranged my schedule a little bit and decided to have a whole lot of fun with these Magic Potions bats. I was inspired by the Harry Potter books, which I am currently reading, and I thought it would be something fun for you guys to enjoy for your Tour de Fleece spin. So, and I am spinning one right now as I speak. I've already put out a spinning with beads tutorial. The beads are part of the potions. I have a few other little tutorials to film with that spin before it's finished. So you can expect at least one more video from that. They are fairly short because they're little tutorials. But anyway, I'm having fun with it, and I think you will too if you get one of these Magic Potion spinning kits. What you're seeing today is the creation of the bat. So I wanted an art bat, but one that was easy to work with. Like, I don't like my add-ins to be all clumpy and big and all of that. I like fairly smooth bats with texture that is fun to work with but not overwhelming. I am new to art bat spinning and art yarn spinning, so I'm having a lot of fun with it, but there's times when I much prefer a smooth bat. So anyways, I'm just going to keep layering the add-ins, which again are bamboo, silk, it's like pulled sari silk or recycled sari silk, and silk cloud, and bamboo top, and all the locks. So I'm just going to keep rotating through all of those in the creation of this bat with the layers of the original fiber in between. This was, I think, the colorway Day at the Beach or Tide Pools. They're very similar. I don't have any more of those for the shop. They were on Corriedale. So this is Corriedale wool plus the add-ins. I love how this bat turned out. Absolutely love it. It's gorgeous. And I did let my 13-year-old son pick out all the colors of the add-ins. So this is compliments of my 13-year-old son. And I had a lot of fun working with just what he picked out. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm going to turn the music on now and let you just enjoy the whole thing. I have sped up sections and I have taken out sections just to make it not be an hour long. So yeah, have fun and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.